What you see in my hand is the AK-203 assault rifle. This is being made in India at Korba, Amethi. And we are right now at the Korba Amethi plant, the Indo-Russian Rifle Manufacturing Unit, the private limited, where these AK-203 rifles are being manufactured. And the target to get 100% indigenous rifles is by December 2025. So this is India's weapon which is being made in India, and the indigenization is going to complete 100% by December this year. So as of now, we talk about the number of these rifles being made in India and being delivered to the Indian Army is around 48,000. By 15th of August, another 7,000 rifles will be delivered by this Korba plant. And this rifle happens to be one of the world's best rifles, the AK-203. And you see, this is the first time when you are seeing from this factory where these rifles are being made, because we've been showing you reports from different expos. We've been showing you the significance of these rifles, but this is the first time when we are here in Amethi's Korba where these rifles are being made. So this is India's very own Sher in the making, because the first 100% indigenous rifle will be known as Sher, the name that it will get in India. For the first time, India today is getting you the pictures from inside Amethi's AK-203 assault rifle factory in Korba. And here you see the production and manufacture of these AK-203 rifles. That is a joint venture of India and Russia. And in India, these assault rifles are being made with 100% technology transfer completed by now. And 48,000 such rifles have already been given to the Indian Army. Not only the Indian Army, there are a number of other security agencies, including the police of different states. They are also interested in these assault rifles. And this happens to be one of the best weapons in the world. So you see how these rifles are being made in Amethi's Korba area, in this factory, which was started in 2019, and the first production began in 2023. So by the end of this year, we'll see the first 100% indigenous rifle that will be made in this particular factory in Korba. So this is not only promoting Make in India, but Make for the World, as 6 lakh rifles, 6 lakh plus rifles are to be made for the Indian Army under a contract that was a 5,000 crore contract that was signed in 2021. And since then the production started, and now this is going at a very fast pace. So after 2025, the pace will further enhance with, in 100 seconds, one rifle will be made here. And this will be a target which will be taken by this particular factory, the Indo-Russian Rifle Private Limited, IRRPL, which is working in Korba to achieve this target of giving all those 6 lakh rifles to the Indian Army by 2030. So that will be a timeline that will be pre-scheduled by 2 years, that is approximately 22 months. And you see how these rifles are being made here, one of the most lethal weapons with modern technology that is being made in India. So this is the prowess of the Indian Defence Forces that is strengthening, that is enhancing with each such attempt, such endeavour that we see of these defence production lines that are working at a very fast pace in India. I'm now joined by the CMD of Indo-Russia Rifles Private Limited in Korba in Amethi. Let's talk to Major General S.K. Sharma. Sir, this is the first time when a serving officer is heading this position in a private firm which is making this kind of a rifle. What is so unique about this startup and also the rifles that are?
Right. First of all, we are a huge company. You said startup, so I'm a little worried here, because we are a huge company which has got an order of more than 5,000 crore rupees, and to make 6 lakh most important weapon for a soldier, that is the rifle. The unique things that I would say about this project is that, first of all, we are making a rifle which is the best in the world, Kalashnikov AK-203. So that is the best rifle that possibly you can have today in the world market, and we are making that for the frontline troops of ours. Second thing, that it's being made with 100% TOT to India. The TOT has already been received by us, so that means 100% TOT from Russia has come to us. Two key things in implementation stage is that you have a team dedicated from Indian Army which is monitoring this project, and you have a team of 12 Russian technical experts who are permanently located in Korwa, Amethi here, to ensure that the rifle which comes out is of the same standard or even better than what they are making in Russia. So these are what I feel is the USP of this particular project.
So far, you've told us that 48,000 rifles have already been delivered and they are being operated all along the borders, be it the LAC, be it the western border. And what about the 100% indigenization? That's the question that everybody wants to ask.
We all have to understand that indigenization is a very diligent, slow and meticulous process. My rifle has got 50 components. It has got 180 total parts if you include every spring and every pin. It has got 160 materials, which were Russian materials to be used and translated into Indian standards. With that entire thing, it took us little time, but we have been very, very meticulous about it. Today, we are at 50% indigenization. By October, we will reach 70%. And by end of December this year, it will be 100% indigenized.
And we'll also be making for the world?
We'll be making for the world. It's a concept by the government. Make in India, made for the world. We shall adhere to that dictum of the government.
Thank you so much for speaking to India Today. So India Today is giving you the pictures from this particular joint venture, the factory of India and Russia, where AK-203 assault rifles are being manufactured. And very soon, 100% indigenization will be achieved by December this year. And this will be the rifle which will be manufactured not only for India, but also a number of countries that are showing interest in this. This is Shivani Sharma with camera person Sachin Chandok for India Today from Korwa, Amethi.